Simplicity and purity. Concrete house design that merges seamlessly with nature. Introduction: Embracing nature through design. Welcome to Decor today, where we explore the transformative world of architecture and interior design. In today's episode, we delve into the concept of a concrete house that epitomizes simplicity and purity, beautifully merging with the natural environment. If you appreciate innovative design ideas and wish to enhance your home aesthetics, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below to share your thoughts. Concrete may not be the first material that comes to mind when we think of harmony with nature, but its potential to create serene living spaces is boundless. Join us as we explore how a well-designed concrete home can reflect and enhance the beauty of its surroundings. The essence of simplicity in design. Simplicity is a core tenet of modern architecture, especially in concrete house designs. This minimalist approach emphasizes clean lines, open spaces, and an uncluttered aesthetic that allows for an organic connection with nature. By stripping away unnecessary embellishments, a simple concrete structure creates a canvas for the environment to shine. This design philosophy aligns with the idea that less is more. It invites inhabitants to experience the tranquility of their surroundings without distraction. Such simplicity not only enhances the visual appeal of a home, The versatility of concrete as a material. Concrete is often dismissed as cold and uninviting, but its versatility can be harnessed to create warm, inviting spaces. The adaptability of concrete allows architects to mold it into various forms, textures, and finishes, enabling a unique interplay between the built environment and nature. Whether used for walls, floors, or outdoor elements, concrete can mimic natural textures or be treated with warm tones to soften its appearance. Moreover, incorporating sustainable practices in concrete production and using Designing with nature, strategic placement and orientation. The placement and orientation of a concrete house are critical in achieving a seamless connection with the natural landscape. Architects consider factors such as sunlight, wind patterns, and views to create spaces that enhance the occupant's experience of nature. For instance, large windows or sliding doors can frame picturesque views, inviting the outdoors in while promoting natural light throughout the interior. Additionally, strategically positioned outdoor living areas, such as patios or decks, extend the home's footprint into nature, creating Integrating natural elements, the role of landscaping. Landscaping plays an essential role in harmonizing a concrete house with its surroundings. Thoughtful landscaping can soften the rigid lines of concrete, blending the home seamlessly into its environment. Native plants, trees, and shrubs can be selected to complement the architecture while promoting local biodiversity. Incorporating features such as green roofs or vertical gardens can further enhance this connection, providing visual interest and improving air quality. This integration of natural elements transforms the concrete house from a mere structure. Natural light and ventilation, enhancing comfort and well-being. Natural light and ventilation are pivotal aspects of designing a concrete home that connects with nature. By maximizing the use of large windows, skylights, and open spaces, architects can create an environment that feels airy and alive. Natural light not only elevates the mood within a space but also reduces the need for artificial lighting, promoting energy efficiency. Cross-ventilation, achieved through strategic window placement, can help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, further enhancing the home's connection to its surroundings. Sustainability, building a future in harmony with nature. Sustainability is a key consideration in modern architecture, and concrete homes can lead the way in eco-friendly design. Utilizing innovative construction techniques, such as precast concrete panels or insulated concrete forms, can significantly reduce waste and energy consumption. Furthermore, incorporating renewable energy sources, such as solar panels or geothermal heating, can enhance the home's sustainability. By designing with nature in mind, architects can create homes that not only coexist with their environment but actively contribute to its preservation, ensuring a healthy. Artistic expression, personalizing concrete spaces. While concrete may seem like a rigid material, it provides a versatile canvas for artistic expression. Designers can incorporate various textures, colors, and finishes to create personalized interiors that reflect the inhabitants' tastes. From polished concrete floors to textured walls, the possibilities are endless. Furthermore, the use of art pieces, furnishings, and decor that resonate with nature can enhance the overall aesthetic, reinforcing the connection to the outdoors. Conclusion: a new perspective on concrete living. In conclusion, the design of a concrete house that embraces simplicity and purity offers a fresh perspective on living harmoniously with nature. Through thoughtful architecture and innovative landscaping, these homes can transcend the traditional notions of concrete, becoming sanctuaries that reflect and enhance their surroundings. We invite you to explore the world of concrete design and consider its potential for your own living spaces. If you enjoyed this exploration and found inspiration in our discussion, please subscribe to Decor today, like this video,